Scrapbooking may very well be one of the most creative hobbies that there is. Some people do it as a hobby while others only do it when they have extra pictures to put together. A scrapbook says so much more than a regular album. With a scrapbook, you can add designs, memorabilia, and quotes that will help your pictures to come to life. There is not a better way to capture those cherished memories that you hold so dear to your heart. Scrapbooks' themes can consist of a wedding, an anniversary, a newborn baby, a baby shower, a birthday, or a holiday party. If it is a time to be remembered, then a scrapbook.
When you first purchase your scrapbook, it is nice to have an idea of what type of pictures you're going to put inside of it. For example, if you are making a scrapbook for your baby's birthday, then you might want to purchase a scrapbook with balloons and ribbons on it. You can find a scrapbook anywhere online, and basically anywhere else that photo albums are sold. There are shops that sell scrapbooking supplies in most every state in America. They are usually small businesses that are located either in a strip mall or on a main street somewhere locally.
One of the things you are going to need is a pair of scissors. Since scrapbooking involves creativity, scissors can come in quite handy. You can use your scissors to cut designs out of construction paper, and you can also cut your pictures out into designs. Scissors are a great crafting tool when scrapbooking. Glue is another scrapbooking essential. Unless you plan to use tape, glue is best.
Your pictures are by far the most necessary item to your scrapbook. If you cannot fill it up, then do not worry. Scrapbooks can be quite large and hard to fill up. Just focus more on the creativity of the book if you do not have enough pictures. Every scrapbook is different and unique in its own way. That is what it is all about.
You might also want to consider the individuality that stickers and letters add to your scrapbook. For example, if your scrapbook theme is for a wedding, then you can buy stickers that have little grooms and brides in the package. You can also find lettering in most every size for your scrapbook. Lettering can save you the time it takes to cut your own letters out. Are there any small items that you want to add to your scrapbook? Some people will take small things such as invitations or pieces of baby hair and glue them to their scrapbooks. It all depends on your preference. You can spice your pages up by adding buttons, feathers, glitter, paint, or anything else that adds a touch of artistic flair. The more the better.
Scrapbooking can be very time-consuming. The fact that it is time-consuming makes it a great hobby, because you know that you will always be able to do it. The pages can take some time to make in your scrapbook, but once you are done, you will have a masterpiece that you will never forget.